In today's video, I'm trying to buy this on Jumia at first, and then I saw the price 120k. It looks okay, and I just feel like, I've wanted to create a video about how to buy things on Amazon, and I think, okay, let me just get this on Amazon instead of getting it on Jumia. Jumia is a fantastic place to get things. I prefer to get things on Jumia actually because it gets delivered faster. So let's go to Amazon. It's showing my name here because I sell things on Amazon too. I have my books on Amazon. Okay, Amazon.com. It is as a seller, not as a buyer. Okay, so pick off where you left. Let me see the options I have. I think this was the exact one. Ansel is quite a popular brand. Okay, so this is Ansel AD310. This is also Ansel AD310 Classic Enhanced OBD. I think it does what I want. Let me add to that. Okay, let me proceed. Then when you buy things on Amazon, you want to check out the reviews. So let me see what they say is bad about it. Most times when I buy things, I want to see the 1-star review. What top is the 1-star review? Where are they? So I'm just checking out what people have said about this product. Like this. So to buy this, so you can see it's selling me $23. The shipping cost is $17.74. That's to ship to my address in Nigeria. So it says it will deliver June 29. That's about 20 days time. Or fastest delivery, where is this? 17th, June 17th. Okay. So I want just one of this. So let me add to carts. So it has been added to carts. So you can see here it's showing 3 units. I want just one. No. This is not used. So I check this. So I'm supposed to do ID verification, but sometimes screen recording. So when you click on this, it shows you passport or NIN. And when you click passports, it will show you what country. Let's click Nigeria. I'm shipping down to Nigeria. Then passport number. So do not enter sensitive information like passport number here, as that field will not be hidden. So I can say skip for now. It will give me 48 hours to get it done. So continue. So it's telling me the total amount I will be paying for this. So it's charging this to my gift card balance. So if you don't have a gift card, what's it called? You can use your virtual dollar card. I made a couple of videos here about virtual dollar cards you can use. So it's giving me a breakdown. Shipping cost this, import charges $4, that's about $5, total $41. So I think I'm cool with this. So I can place my order here. Order reserved for 48 hours. So I can proceed to add ID. I don't want to screen record that. Let me use my encrypt this. So I've encrypted my NIN. I'm going to blur this. It's continue. So the order has been placed. So this will arrive June 29. So when I receive it, I can write a review, your edits. I can track my package. So I would know when. So I can keep checking this place to know when it has shipped, or if it's out of delivery and when it has delivered. Okay. So that will be it for now. Thank you.